Feeling lost in the maze of DeFi? You're not alone. The world of decentralized finance can feel overwhelming, especially if you're new and don't know where to start. But what if I told you that unlocking big rewards doesn't have to be complicated? Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 DeFi platforms to earn maximum yields for beginners. Yes, even if you've never touched crypto before. These platforms are beginner-friendly, packed with earning potential, and designed to simplify your journey into DeFi. Now, here's the deal. Miss out on DeFi, and you're leaving money on the table while the rest of the world catches up to this financial revolution. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to start and how to earn. And hey, while you're here, make sure to subscribe to Crypto Yield Pro, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to grow your crypto knowledge and maximize your profits. Let's get started. Imagine a world where you don't need a bank to lend, borrow, or invest your money. That's DeFi in a nutshell. Short for Decentralized Finance, it's an open financial ecosystem built on blockchain technology. Think of it as putting control back in your hands. No middlemen, no unnecessary fees. This revolutionary approach allows anyone with internet access to participate in financial services, no matter where they live. And guess what? You don't even need a credit score, just a wallet and a bit of curiosity. So why does DeFi matter? For starters, it flips the script on traditional finance. No more waiting days for transactions to clear or paying outrageous fees to move your money. With DeFi, everything's faster, cheaper, and transparent. It's powered by smart contracts, that is, self-executing agreements written in code. These ensure everything happens as intended, no shady business. And it's permissionless. You don't need anyone's approval to access these services. Financial freedom, plain and simple. But let's not just talk concepts. Let's dive into applications. DeFi's not just about holding crypto. It's about making it work for you. Think lending platforms like the OG Aave, where your idle assets earn interest, or yield farming on protocols that multiply your earnings. Borrowing's also a breeze. You can use your crypto as collateral to secure a loan. Add in trading platforms, staking, and token swaps, and you've got an entire financial ecosystem at your fingertips. Ready to explore? If you're diving into DeFi, picking the right platforms is like choosing the best tools for a treasure hunt. You want efficiency, reliability, and results. So let's start our top 5 with Aave, a powerhouse in decentralized lending. It's beginner-friendly with a sleek interface, offering features like flash loans, flexible interest rates, and multi-token support. Even if you're just holding tokens, you can lend them out to earn passive income. Aave's built with security in mind, boasting audits and an impressive track record, and its sheer liquidity makes it the go-to choice for beginners and pros alike. Plus, their educational resources make it easier than ever to get started. Next up, we've got Aerodrome on BaseChain. A fresh but promising name in the DeFi space. Its user-friendly design makes it perfect for newcomers, and its yield farming rewards are a major draw. Aerodrome isn't just about earning, it's about understanding. Their straightforward guides help beginners get familiar with staking, farming, and earning rewards without feeling overwhelmed. With its intuitive dashboard that helps you keep track of your earnings in real time, Aerodrome is like a gateway to consistent profits without drowning in complexities. If you're looking to dip your toes into DeFi, Aerodrome provides a smooth and rewarding start. Let's not overlook Velodrome on Optimism, or better saying, Superchain. It's a sister platform of Aerodrome and also designed for serious gains. It's known for its innovative liquidity incentives and robust ecosystem. Beginners love it because of its simple staking options and the potential for high rewards. It's the perfect choice for anyone wanting a secure, no-fuss entry into liquidity pools. Then there's Extra Finance, which focuses on lending and leveraged yield farming on Base and Optimism. This is for anyone who wants their crypto to work smarter, not harder. By automating strategies and providing clear analytics, Extra Finance makes earning yields almost effortless. And finally, PancakeSwap, a fan favorite on Binance Smart Chain. It's like the easygoing cousin of Uniswap, with low fees, a playful design, and gamified features like lotteries and prediction markets. Together, these 5 platforms form the ultimate starter pack for your DeFi journey, offering something for everyone, whether you're cautious or adventurous. But let's not stop here. DeFi is exciting, but it's not without its risks. Smart contracts, the backbone of decentralized platforms, are brilliant pieces of technology, but they're only as secure as the code they're built on. A single vulnerability can lead to massive losses. This is why understanding how smart contracts work and the importance of audits is critical. Platforms like Aave and Uniswap frequently undergo audits from top firms like Certic and OpenZeppelin, ensuring their systems are as airtight as possible. If a project doesn't showcase its security audits, consider it a major red flag. But it's not just about the platforms, it's also about how you engage with them. Choosing safe and reliable platforms should always be your first step. Stick with platforms that have a proven track record, transparent teams, and robust user communities. For example, DeFi users flock to PancakeSwap and Aave not just for their features, but for their reputations. Research is your best friend here. Spend some time on platforms like DeFi Llama to track platform stats or DeBank to monitor your portfolio. And don't forget, always double-check that you're interacting with the official website or app. Scams are everywhere, and one typo in a URL can cost you dearly. Also, let's talk about protecting your assets. Think of your crypto wallet as your digital vault. Use a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor for long-term storage, and always enable two-factor authentication on exchange accounts. Never, and I mean never, share your seed phrase with anyone. It's your golden key, and losing it means losing everything. Tools like MetaMask are great for day-to-day transactions, but pairing them with hardware wallets takes security to the next level. Now that you've got the safety basics down, let's move on to the exciting part. The first step is setting up your wallet, your gateway to decentralized finance. A platform like MetaMask is a great place to start. It's simple to install as a browser extension or mobile app, and it supports multiple blockchains. Once you've got it set up, secure it by backing up your seed phrase. Store it offline and somewhere safe. Think of your seed phrase as the master key to your wallet. Lose it, and you lose access to your funds, so don't take any shortcuts here. Once your wallet is set up, it's time to fund it with some crypto by transferring from an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Next, let's talk about making your first transaction. It's easier than you think. Say you want to lend your crypto on Aave. All you need to do is connect your wallet to their platform, choose the token you want to deposit, and voila, you're earning interest. Curious about yield farming? Aerodrome has some beginner-friendly pools where you can stake tokens and watch your rewards grow daily. Or, if you're looking for something super simple, Uniswap's token swaps for simple trading are a great way to dip your toes into DeFi. Each transaction teaches you something new, and before you know it, you'll feel like a pro navigating these platforms. Now, let's not forget the bigger picture, the future of DeFi. This space is evolving at lightning speed, with innovations like Layer 2 solutions making transactions faster and cheaper. Decentralized exchanges like Jupiter on Solana are already leveraging these advancements to provide smoother user experiences. And as decentralized finance continues to grow, more opportunities are opening up for everyone, from casual users to serious investors. It's like being at the forefront of a financial revolution. There's no better time to get involved. Learning is just the first step. The real magic happens when you take action. So which platform are you starting with? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and help you along the way. And if you're ready to dive even deeper into DeFi and unlock your financial freedom, don't miss my exclusive ebook. It's packed with everything you need: proven strategies, tools, insider tips, and even my perfect DeFi portfolio to help you dominate this space. The link is pinned in the first comment of this video below. Grab it now, support the channel, and take your results to the next level. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Crypto Yield Pro, and turn on notifications. Your crypto success story starts here. See you tomorrow.